Namaskar and namaste dosto and welcome back to your favorite show Talent Hunt. I'm Ragini and yes, we are back with your favorite artist Akash Bharadwaj one more time. I know that Diwali passed and we all are going towards Thanksgiving, but the warmth and the freshness of Diwali is still in the air. And Akash is here also with us. So we want to know more about him, as we told you in the first episode, that he has so many qualities to talk about. So the first thing I would love to request tonight is Akash, when we are starting this episode, I want to start with something you can say a little different. Of course, it's acting. Of course, it's the voice modulation. We would love to hear some mimicry from you. How about that?
Namaskar. Thank you again and welcome again. So, let's see. I'll just try and mimic, you in front of a very big star, and let's see if you recognize him. Yanaka Sutevala Chate Sateriada. Ana Marasal Yerkade Salam Alarikin Muria. हम प्यार करते हैं एक दूसरे से हम शादी करेंगे हमें कोई नहीं रोक सकता देखिए हमने जो कुछ किया मर्यादा के अंदर रहकर किया अगर मर्यादा के बाहर चले जाते तो आप शर्म से मुंह न खोल पाते है ना Oh, bloody God damn it. आपका वही बरसों पुराना भाषा का प्रांत का झगड़ा अगर मेरे और सपना के प्यार में भाषा ही रुकावट है तो मुझे एक महीने का वक्त दीजिए खुद हिंदी सीख भी लूंगा और आप सबको सिखा भी सकूंगा हिंदी में वो क्या कहते हैं पोएट्री कविता भी लिख कर दिखा दूंगा जस्ट वन मंथ एक डोर खींचे दूजा दौड़ा चलाए एक डोर खींचे दूजा दौड़ा चलाए कच्चे धागे में बंधा चलाए ऐसे जैसे कोई हो ऐसे जैसे कोई दीवाना ऐसे जैसे कोई दीवाना मैंने नहीं जाना तूने नहीं जाना मैंने नहीं जाना तूने नहीं जाना तेरे मेरे बीच में तेरे मेरे बीच में कैसा है ये बंधन अनजाना कैसा है ये बंधन अनजाना कैसा है ये बंधन अनजाना
I think that was Kamal Hassan and
yeah
and S.P. Balasubramaniam ji. and which is really wonderful. Thank you so much for that. But how you manage, I mean, forget about it, how you manage, because we know that you are enormously talented. Now you tell us, or you show anybody else that you would love to mimic actually.
Well, I've been mimicking practically, each and every star and actor. And by the way, we also I mean, my mother, being a mimicry artist herself, she used to actually dub in patches for many heroines like Karishma Kapoor ji and Madhuri Dixit ji, and also many heroines at those time, and nobody could still recognize that in patches in between, because sometimes when there now everything is digital. Earlier it used to be analog, actually mimicking some 30 voices at a time in a film, dubbing. Wherein she mimicked she dubbed for 30 different female characters, and I also dubbed around 30 male characters in a single film. So we know we once I need.
I just want to request you, please, you do one more. I mean, your favorite one, whatever. I mean, whatever is coming in your mind.
जैसे जैसे देखिए अभी जैसे है कि नमस्कार दोस्तों, भाइयों बहनों, मैं आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं और हम सब मिलकर खेलते हैं आज टैलेंट हंट। कौन बनेगा टैलेंट पति हमारी प्यारी सी रागिनी जी के साथ। So that's but then Amit ji, everybody tries to mimic his the recent version, that is the older version, and they kind of make it more profound. The voice is like more echoing, and आइए हम सब मिलकर खेलते हैं कौन बनेगा करोड़पति। So that's how everybody goes. But I would like to take you back to the era of the young Amitabh Bachchan. I don't remember the exact lines now. If I forget, then please do forgive me. But then I'll just try to make you remind of the younger Amitabh, and just see the difference, how he used to sound in his young age.
मैं और मेरी तन्हाई अक्सर ये बातें करती हैं। तुम होती तो ऐसा होता, तुम इस बात पे हैरान होती, तुम उस बात पे कितनी हंसती। मैं और मेरी तन्हाई अक्सर ये बातें करती।
That's the younger version.
क्या बात है आकाश, it's really wonderful.
If somebody comes and he starts welcoming on behalf of Ragini ji to first, before of course Ragini ji is such a lovely anchor, she will be anchoring forever, but then if he introduces Ragini ji, so now let's see कि मैं हूँ बैडमैन, बैड से भी बुरा मैन, बैडमैन, और मैं वेलकम कर रहा हूँ हमारी प्यारी सी खूबसूरत ब्यूटीफुल सी रागिनी जी को। वो शुरू करेगी टैलेंट हंट। अगर मैं होता ना तो पहले रागिनी जी को उठा के लेके आ जाता यूएसए से इंडिया और कहता हमारे बंगाल में क्या, हमारे पंजाब में ऐसा नहीं होता। That's how it is.
Okay, all right. Tell me one thing, that the acting and the voice modulation and the mimicry, they all go in one path. Why singing? ये गाना कहाँ से आ गया?
ये भी खून खानदान में ही दौड़ रहा था, और वो बचपन से माहौल मिला था। मॉम भी बहुत ज्यादा नहीं मगर थोड़ा बहुत गाती थी, सुरों का उनको नॉलेज था, वो सितारों वगैरह सीखी हुई थी। तो वो मैंने जैसा बताया ना, वो गर्भ शिक्षा, so that continued. And then of course I was not a very good singer earlier, even not I'm not a very good singer now. I'm just a popular Bollywood singer, a kind of a pop style, popular in the sense pop style Bollywood singer. So I just kind of groomed up, but I groomed up myself enough. I rehearsed myself. I used to just keep singing to just manage to sing on stage comfortably and just woo my audience and take that applause then and there.
Akash, I know that these are your hobbies, but what you love to do, like except acting or mimicry or singing, what is real Akash?
See, I'm a nature's lover. I'm very much into naturopathy and Ayurveda and homeopathy, and I suggest to all my friends worldwide, or everybody who knows me, to follow that, because that's how we can actually fight the current pandemic, by being as close to the nature. I'm a very spiritual person. I right from my childhood I've been into Osho's meditation, and also pranic healing. I'm a very religious person, and I'm a scientific religious follower, not just blindfolded religious follower. I get into each and every details of life, be it poetry, be it arts, be it singing, be it medical, the ancient medical history, or the modern allopathic, the ill effects or the side effects of modern allopathic Western medical industry, and each and everything. And also spirituality, I get into each and every. हमारे हिंदी में हम कहते हैं बाल की खाल. If I translate it in English, it will be like taking the skin out of the hair, kind of a person I've been, and I really get it deep into each and every subject.
Any time in your life have you felt negative?
Yes, of course. In current times, the pandemic times, and there is so much of negativity, but we can only, overshadow the negativity with the positivity within. And I feel negative when I see so much of negative news of Bollywood going on in today's time. It's really very very shameful for all of us connected with the Indian arts and entertainment industry to hear all this kind of stories. And when I see the youth being spoiled by all this bad habits, the ill effects of modern society, be it drugs, be it alcohol, be it any kind of toxic habits. I feel hugely negative, and I see to that the only remedy to all these problems is meditation is the best and the natural form of drug that you can have, avoiding all the toxic materials that the world is having in today's time and all the ill effects. You can avoid it. You can be meditative, and I confirm it to you by the bottom of my heart. I have many techniques. There are many experts all around the world of dhyan, yoga, pranayam, meditation, and also naturopathy, Ayurveda, and homeopathy. So, so many problems in the pandemic times. Even, I shaved my head. You can see a completely different look of mine. I shaved my head for a Hindi film. I'm acting as a Maratha warrior. And in those times, there were no six-pack abs. There used to be huge, balished body. Balished, mazboot sharir hua karta tha. So huge bodies there used to be. So I also gained a lot of weight. But then, the shooting has been postponing from last 2 years. That is right from the first lockdown till date. And I'm just shaving my head again and again, and I'm waiting for the shooting to come in. So all these problems, all these negativity that we are facing as actors, and I mean that shooting has still not commenced, and we have not completed that film yet. So all these problems are there which we are facing. But let's see, with best wishes of all you guys, we may start shooting with that film again, and my shaving my head comes to some purpose. And negativity in our industry, there is a lot of negativity because there is a lot of struggle, there is a lot of frustration. You all see a particular scene or a film, you just see it in a jiffy and you just forget about it. But for us to create it, there is a lot of hard work, a lot of pain involved in it, and many times we don't get our due back. Even I would say for me and my mother also, we haven't get. I mean, we did got our place earlier, but nowadays from last say after 2010, we are going through a tough times. We are not getting the kind of response we used to earlier, and all this hurts. All this negativity, it hurts. I have been. I mean, from our paternal family also, we have had a lot of problems, and that's why we finally shifted from Nagpur to Mumbai. Those negative elements hurts. I mean, sometimes I remember my childhood, how tough the life was in Nagpur for me and my mother within our paternal family, and that's how finally we shifted to Mumbai. Life is better now, but still with all this negativity around. But we are still fighting, and see what all negativity we fought. My mother, right from her young age till today, and I myself, right from my birth till today, we are here alive, sane, free from all toxicity, free from all toxic elements and all bad elements and all bad groupism and everything. Only because we have deeply rooted, stick to our culture, our meditation, our Ayurveda, naturopathy. So that's how you can fight negativity.
Oh my God! Thank you so much for your insights, Akash.
Yeah.
The one thing I forgot to ask you that I know the list will be long, but I want to ask you that. Who is your favorite actor?
Of course, the one and only, the king of all actors, Kamal Hassan sir. Every actor is like all. I mean, really close to my heart. Every actor I admire who is doing a great job. But Kamal Hassan is for me is like the end all and be all, because the kind of multitasking he does. I've been a multitasker myself. I'm also working behind the cameras also on the technical side also, and so I've seen him working on all parts of entertainment and performing all kind of performances and entertainment and the technicalities of filmmaking. So for me, he's the one. He's the one who's a जिसको हम कहना एक संपूर्ण कलाकार, a complete artist and a complete know-how, intelligence of arts and entertainment. For me, he's the one.
Thank you so much, Akash, for staying with us. And um, our viewers, we have to wrap up. We are going a little bit over, I know, but you know what? Ek din chalta hai. And this is the festive time, right? We cannot really finish just like that. Yes, we have to let our guest go tonight, and of course, you as well, because we have to be back again next week with your favorite show, Talent Hunt. And yes, someone will be there. I want to say that, but I want you guys to come and see it for yourself, because that person is also very, very special, and that person is from around US, and you would love to see him. Um, we will finish this episode, but we want you to remember one thing, that this is your talent hunt. Yes, for last few weeks, we are doing quite a very, very, very special episodes, but we are going to back with all of you. And that is why please send us your video with your singing or acting, or maybe you are instrumentalist or dancer. Please do write us, send us your 90-second video to Ragini at manatv.net. That is RAAGINI at MANATV.net. So please do write us, and we would love to showcase you with our global audience and the global viewers. So Akash, this is it, but जाने से पहले एक request तो है. We want to actually see one more mimicry from you, and I know that you are quite passionate with acting, and I know that you will fulfill my request and for my audience as well.
No need to ask me. I'll myself present. I'll keep presenting till you're bored.
शादी के 15 बरस बाद भी जब कोई संतान नहीं हुई, तब गांव गांव मंदिर मंदिर जाकर मन्नत मांगी, तब जाकर पैदा हुआ। इतनी जल्दी मार देंगे क्या?
हाँ, मार दूंगा। डॉक्टर को कलर टीवी और इंस्पेक्टर को डीवीडी की रिश्वत और बाप को प्यार की रिश्वत। मेरे पास देश के हर हराम खोर रिश्वत खोर के लिए एक ही सजा है, मौत की सजा। तुम्हारा बाप होने से पहले मैं हूं एक सच्चा हिंदुस्तानी। And then he kills.
Beautiful, beautiful, fantastic, and thank you
Now,
so much.
एक गाना रागिनी जी के लिए, स्पेशली फॉर रागिनी जी।
अच्छा,
आपका जो हसीन रुख है ना, हर किसी के दिल में आता होगा, कोई गाता नहीं होगा आपके लिए, लेकिन जो हर कोई जो आपको देख रहा है एज एन एंकर, वो आपके लिए गाना चाहता है।
आपके हसीन रुख पे आज नया नूर है, मेरा दिल मचल गया तो मेरा क्या कसूर है। आपकी निगाह ने कहा तो कुछ जरूर है, मेरा दिल मचल गया तो मेरा क्या कसूर है। झुकी झुकी निगाहों में भी है बला की शोखियां, दबी दबी सी आह में भी है बला की बिजलियां। जिधर नजर पड़ी, जिधर नजर मुड़ी, जिधर नजर मुड़ी, उधर
सुरूर ही सुरूर है, मेरा दिल मचल गया तो मेरा क्या कसूर है. That's specially for you, Ragini ji. From
Thank
all
you
the audience to
so
you.
much. You just made this episode so special. Thank you so
थोड़ा
much for
थोड़ा
that,
भूल गया था.
Akash.
I'm sorry. थोड़े भूल गया था. कुछ lyrics भूल गया था. I'm sorry for that.
Thank you so much, Akash. This was such a beautiful, beautiful surprise for me, actually. Thank you so much. You just made my night. And of course, this whole year, whole month. Yes, I'm going to enjoy that. And thank you, my friends, for being there for us for last 4 years and holding our hands. And I really appreciate that. And with all my warm wishes with all of you, I want to finish tonight.
धन्यवाद. शुभ रात्रि.
Thank
फिर
you.
मिलेंगे
Shukran.
अगर आप चाहेंगे.
Thank you.
ओके. धन्यवाद. हैप्पी दिवाली अगेन. दीपावली की ढेर ढेर शुभकामनाएं.